you ready to learn this groove? Today I'm going to teach you this groove I use all the time when I play pop, hip hop, soul music and many other styles. It's a simple groove, but as I always say, simple but not easy. The pattern is simple, but the key of this groove is the feel you apply when you play it. We are going to start this tutorial slow at 55 BPM for you to integrate the pattern. Then a bit faster at 70 BPM, to then go to the go tempo at 95 BPM. After you feel comfortable with the groove, you can play in different tempos. We are going to play it with music. I have included the backing track, the same music I play at the beginning of the video for you to practice the groove. So go practice the grooves and then go play with the music. The notation of this lesson is available for free in the description below. Okay, let's start learning this groove slow at 55 BPM, you and me. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now faster at 70 BPM. 1, 2, If you feel comfortable playing this groove at 55, at 70, 75 and more, time to try it at 95 BPM. Let's go! 1, 2, 3, 4. Now it's time to have fun. Let's play the groove with music. Let's do it! I hope you like this lesson and this pop groove. As I said before, the free lesson PDF is in the description below. And actually, not only this one, but all my free PDF downloads are available in the free area at cajonmaster.com. Just click in the link below. And if you are new here, don't forget to hit the like button and of course subscribe to the channel if you didn't yet. This is very important to keep this channel growing. Thanks a lot for watching. I'll see you next time with another video.